aircraft is equipped with an escape path lighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, the lights will illuminate, leading you to
Please be advised that this is a no-smoking flight. Civil aviation regulations require strict observance of the lighted passenger information signs, such as the no smoking and the fasten seatbelt signs. We would like to remind all our guests that the use of any portable electronic device is strictly prohibited, as these may affect the communication system in the flight deck. Electronic devices such as laptop computers, iPods, or MP3 players may be used, but must be turned on only after takeoff, when the seatbelt sign has been switched off. These electronic devices must be switched off prior to landing when the seatbelt sign is turned on. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, window shades up, and your tray table stowed. Thank you. Ipinakita po namin sa inyo ang wastong paggamit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan, salbabida, at oxygen mask. Ipinakikiisa po namin inyong basahin ang safety instruction card na nasa bulsa ng upuan sa inyong harapan at inyo pong pag-aralang mabuti ang mga labasan para sa sandaling kakailanganin natin ito. Para sa inyong kapakanan, sundin po lamang ang mga kautusan ukol sa kaligtasan. Kung mayroon po kayong pag-aalinlangan, huwag pong mag-atubiling lumapit sa amin. Para sa inyong kaalaman, ang paninigarilyo ay ipinagbabawal sa kabuuan ng ating paglalakbay, maging sa loob ng palikuran. Sa loob ng ilang sandali, tayo ay lilipad na. Mangyari po lamang na ituwid ang inyong mga upuan, tiklopin ang mga mesa, itaas ang mga tabing ng bintana, at ikabit ang inyong sinturong pangkaligtasan. Ladies and gentlemen, in compliance with civil aviation regulations, the crew will take their seats in preparation for takeoff. We will attend to your needs as soon as the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off.